Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making a card using our Forever Florals Summer Splendour Collection. For this card you will need the Flourishing Florals topper as well as the foil cardstock that matches this collection. I'm going to be using a 5x7 card blank, some gold mirri, and I have some of our pink gemstones. So let's get to it! First of all, I'm going to start by fussy cutting around this panel of my card. I'm going to take my trimmer and I'm going to just cut this to 2 1/4, which will just get us to that pink line, and I'm just going to cut that down to where it meets our flower. And then using our knife, we're just going to do a little bit of fussy cutting. So now we have our panel fussy cut. I'm going to cut down our cardstock for our back piece of card. We're going to cut that to 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. And I'm going to take my panel that we have just fussy cut, and I'm going to also cut that down to 6 3/4. Then taking our card blank, I'm just going to cut this into half. So I'm going to cut the front panel of our cardstock to 2 1/2 and just take that bit off. So it's going to leave us with a smaller front than our card. Then we can bring in our gold mirri. So my gold mirri is cut down to 5x7, which is going to give me a nice edge. And then my panel is cut to 2 1/2 by 7, so I will get the same edge on my panel. So let's just stick this all together. So we can stick this to our front panel, like so, and then we can stick our back panel together and pop that on as well. And this gives us the front of our card with that beautiful panel on the front. Then I'm just going to decorate it with a few small toppers. So I'm going to take the square topper has those lilies on again, and then this small oval one, which I'm going to just layer up on the inside of my card. And then I'm going to use the sentiment, and I think we'll pop this on the top there. And then let's use this beautiful border just to break up our card. So I'm going to just trim that out, and I'm going to use the top of this, the sentiment that says "You're blooming lovely." So then let's stick this all down. I'm going to stick my border flat, and then we can just trim that down with our scissors. So let's stick that across the bottom, making sure that our butterflies are the right way up. Stick that across the bottom, and then I'll just use my knife to trim that from the bit of our cardstock there, and that will come off. And then I think I might use this bit over the top here as well. So if I just pop that just where my sentiment's going to go, just to sort of match those pieces together. So just trim that off, and we can just lift that piece away. And then we can use our foam pads to stick all of our little elements on. So I'm going to use foam pads across the back, and we'll stick that just over the edge of this border that runs across. And then I'm going to stick this one sort of over the top. So I'm going to put 2 foam pads on one side, and then 1 foam pad on the other side, just so it lifts off that other topper and it gives you a bit more dimension. Let's stick that on there like that. I'm going to use your Blooming Lovely just on the edge here of my border strip, just to break that up a little bit. Add that to where all those beautiful floral bits are coming off the gold foiling. And then our sentiment I'm going to add to that front panel that we've just added, which says "Believe in yourself." I'm going to pop that just over there, making sure it's in the center before we stick it down nicely. And then bringing in some of our really nice pink gemstones. I'm going to use the second brightest colour. We're just going to add some down this side and up here as well. So using the medium size one, and I'm just going to do 3 and then another 3. And then there is your card using that fantastic Forever Florals collection.